I restore because I'm a compulsive restorer. I love restoring things. Some people, it's amazing, they'll throw away sometimes the best piece in the house. They don't realize it because they look at the condition, but they don't know the history. And the fact that I grew up in the antique trade, I grew up with furniture my whole life since I was a kid. I'm from Vancouver, Canada. I grew up there, and our family business was antiques. And we had the largest antique center in Canada. Then we moved here to Australia in '96, and yeah, I love it here. And I married my wife, Clarelle, and she helps me here in the shop. I have this code where I just do what needs to be done as opposed to doing it for a price. You do what it takes to make it look that piece. People just go out to the shed, go out to the back room, and they take a picture of the piece and they just text it directly to my number. And then I can look at it, and then I can go through my archive, take a picture of the same piece or similar piece, same era, same woods, and send it back and say, this is what it's going to look like, and here's the history on your piece. And that starts the conversation. I don't just do antiques. I get a lot of new stuff. You don't have to do a full restoration on a piece of that period, and you don't have to go out and spend thousands of dollars buying a brand new set. People love to follow what I do each week on Facebook. I'm always posting current work and what it's doing and where I'm up to and the stories that go along with those pieces, so they get to see the before and afters, and they just love that. That's my high, is to get the clients when you drop off a piece and they get to see it and their eyes light up. You get hugged, there's tears sometimes, there's people get so emotional, but I love it. That's just what I really like to do.